All right, let's see if you got your UDO problem correct. So again, we're talking about simple interest. That's my key word in these problems. When we see the word simple interest, we're going to go to our formula chart and write down interest equals principal times rate times time. Again, reminder, rate has to be a decimal and time has to be in years. All right, so it says we have a loan of $45,580. So that is my principal, $45,580. And again, we are multiplying these numbers. I need to find my rate. Well, my rate is 4%. Excuse me. Excuse me. So I have a rate of 4%. I cannot use a percent, so I need to make that into a decimal. 4% goes under percent. My decimal is invisible at the back, so I'm going to hop once, twice. My decimal is now at the front, and I fill my gap with a 0. So my decimal is 0.04. And again, we are multiplying these numbers. And my last step is to find the time. So again, it says what is the amount of interest she will be charged after 1 year. So again, my year was 1 year. So I am going to multiply 45,580 times 0.04. And again, I'm not going to show you the multiplication. I know you can multiply. And we're going to multiply it by 0.04. And we get 1,823.20. And again, I am multiplying these numbers, but we know anything times 1 is just that number. So for this loan, she's going to have to pay back an extra $1,823.20. And you see how carefully we need to make sure we check our decimal places, because look at this answer here. Same numbers, different decimal place. So this would be a decimal issue if you picked this one. So remember, when you're counting your decimal places, you count, oh, there's 2. So we had to hop back once, twice in our problem. All right, and that is simple interest. I hope you got it correct.